Chad with the One Melt team. You're to the point to where you need to replace the module and or the solenoid. So we will show you how that needs to occur and what you need to do it effectively. We have just removed the pneumatic and electrical energy from our system, so we've unplugged it and we've removed the pneumatic energy and we've bled the system down, so there's no pressure on this anymore. So we have a spare module. When you get this, just make sure that you've got the O-rings in place and they look fresh and unhindered. Make sure there's no tears in them like that. So that's it. We're going to remove this via the two Allen fasteners. Mine is hot, so it's going to have just a little bit of drool come out of it. As you can see, I have a catch pan. You can do this cold. It just works a little better if it's hot. Take your new module and place back on. Inspect the face of where your surface mates. Mine looks clean. If yours has any buildup or char or debris on there, try to wipe it off the best you can so that you get a good contact. There's an instruction sheet that comes with each module. It gives you the torque specs for the fasteners. Make sure you adhere to those. So once you get it fastened on there, just get it torqued down to the right spec. And that's your module. Now I'm about to show you how to replace the solenoid. Air line comes off. I'm going to leave my electrical connection on and just place that right back on my new solenoid. You can use a pipe wrench or vice grips. It's just a 1/4 NPT. Comes off. Clean your thread up. I'm going to put some new Teflon on here. You can use pipe dope or Teflon. So with your solenoid kit, you will get different muffler, a reducer. Mine will go right back on the way it is. Put some dope or tape. Couple wraps is sufficient. Dress your tube. Make sure you don't have any Teflon hanging in there. You don't want that to migrate its way through your solenoid into the module and cause any issues there. Just tighten it up until you have your resistance that you want. It's good. I will reinstall my line. Take the connector off that came with it. And reinstall that one. And you're done.